Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the environment. Confirm your PC meets Windows 10/11 or Mac OS requirements and has available storage. Next, download a reputable Android emulator installer. BlueStacks or LD Player are common choices, so you can run mobile apps on desktop. Install the emulator now, and if prompted, enable virtualization in BIOS or UEFI to improve speed. This matters because emulators emulate ARM hardware and benefit from CPU virtualization. Now that you have Play Store access, search for and install Google Authenticator inside the emulator. You will grant minimal permissions for camera access if you plan to scan QR codes. Alternatively, choose manual entry for secret keys. After installation, open the app and follow the in-app prompts to add an account. Scan a QR code on the service you're securing or paste the secret key. Make sure to enable Authenticator account backup or note recovery codes. This prevents lockout if you change machines later. Finish by verifying the codes. Sign into the service you protected using the freshly generated code to confirm success. If the code is rejected, check that the emulator's clock is synchronized with network time. Time drift is the most common cause of failures. Make sure you've stored recovery codes or enabled backup to your Google account before removing the app or switching devices. If the emulator has camera issues, use manual key entry on the service's two-factor setup screen to add the account instead.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.